two scientists are given credit for the discovery of electromagnetic induction: the Englishman Michael Faraday and the American Joseph Henry in the 1800s. Since Faraday investigated electromagnetic induction in more detail and published his findings first, the law that describes the phenomenon bears his name: Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Faraday discovered that whenever there is a change in magnetic flux through a loop of wire, an EMF is induced in the loop. In this context, the word change refers to a change as time passes. A flux that is constant in time creates no EMF. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction is expressed by bringing together the idea of magnetic flux and the time interval during which it changes. In fact, Faraday found that the magnitude of the induced EMF is equal to the time rate of change of the magnetic flux. This is consistent with the relation we obtained in section 22.3 for the specific case of motional EMF, which was equal to negative delta phi delta t. Often the magnetic flux passes through a coil of wire containing more than one loop or turn. If the coil consists of n loops, and if the same flux passes through each loop, it is found experimentally that the total induced EMF is n times that induced in a single loop. For the general case of n loops, the total induced EMF is described by Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction in the following manner. The average EMF induced in a coil of n loops is EMF equals negative n times delta phi delta t, where delta phi is the change in magnetic flux through one loop, and delta t is the time interval during which the change occurs. The term delta phi delta t is the average time rate of change of the flux that passes through one loop. The SI unit of EMF is the volt. Note that the flux in its generalized form is given by BA cosine phi, so that the time rate of change of the flux can occur through a time rate of change of magnetic field strength B, area A, or orientation or angle phi relative to the field. Also, more than one of these parameters can be changing simultaneously.